Welcome to Choice Champions. The best healthy cookbook is probably one of the most valuable resources for anyone looking to improve their eating habits and overall well-being. This cookbook is packed with delicious, easy-to-follow recipes that cater to a variety of dietary needs and preferences. From quick weeknight meals to impressive dishes for entertaining, you'll find everything you need to create healthy and satisfying meals that the whole family will love. Number 5. Well-plated cookbook, fast, healthy recipes. Are you looking for a cookbook filled with fast and healthy recipes? This book is packed with delicious meals that are easy to make. It's perfect for anyone who wants to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. This cookbook offers a variety of quick and easy meal ideas. It includes recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even snacks. You'll find something for every occasion and taste. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. This book simplifies the process with clear instructions and readily available ingredients. It makes healthy eating simple and enjoyable. Forget boring diet food. The recipes in this book are designed to be flavorful and satisfying. You'll find yourself excited to try new dishes and enjoy every bite. This cookbook is your guide to deliciously healthy cooking. It provides everything you need to create amazing meals. It's a must-have for anyone who loves good food and wants to eat healthier. What we like. This cookbook offers quick and healthy recipes. It's perfect if you're always on the go but still want to eat well. If you are looking for delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen, this is the one for you. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow. The cookbook provides a variety of healthy meal options. The cookbook includes nutritional information for each recipe. Number 4. The Big Book of Organic Baby Food. This book is your comprehensive guide to organic baby food. It provides recipes and tips for every stage of your baby's development, from purees to toddler meals. It's all about nourishing your little one with the best organic ingredients. Discover a wide variety of puree recipes tailored for different ages. The book offers guidance on introducing solids and creating delicious, healthy meals. You'll find everything you need to start your baby on a path to healthy eating. As your baby grows, so do their food needs. This book includes recipes for finger foods and toddler meals. It helps you transition your child to more complex textures and flavors, making mealtime enjoyable for everyone. Learn about the benefits of organic ingredients and how to choose the best ones. The book explains why organic food is important for your baby's health. It provides valuable information to help you make informed choices. The book offers a wealth of recipes and meal planning ideas. It simplifies the process of preparing organic baby food at home. It makes it easier to provide nutritious meals for your baby. What we like. This book focuses on organic baby food. It provides recipes for every stage of your baby's development. If you're a parent who prioritizes organic ingredients and wants to make your own baby food, you should consider this. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow. The cookbook offers a variety of healthy meal options. It includes helpful nutritional information for each recipe. Number 3. Half-Baked Harvest Super Simple Cookbook. This cookbook is packed with over 125 recipes. It's perfect for instant meals, overnight dishes, meal prepping, and comforting food. Looking for quick and easy meals? This book has you covered. It offers a variety of recipes that can be made in a flash. Prepare your breakfast or dinner the night before. This cookbook provides many overnight recipes to save your time. Meal prepping has never been easier. The recipes are designed to be simple and efficient, making your week easier. Enjoy classic comfort foods with a simple twist. It provides a range of recipes that are both delicious and easy to make. What we like. This cookbook features easy comfort foods. It includes recipes for instant, overnight, and meal prepped meals. If you like comfort food but want to save time during the week, it's a great choice. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow. The cookbook offers a variety of healthy meal options. It includes helpful nutritional information for each recipe. Number 2. Skinnytaste Meal Prep Cookbook. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen? This cookbook is designed to help you prepare delicious and healthy meals in advance. It offers a variety of recipes that are perfect for meal prepping and freezing. This book provides you with the tools to create make-ahead meals. It's packed with recipes that can be prepared on the weekend and enjoyed throughout the week. It's a lifesaver for busy weeknights. Discover a collection of freezer-friendly recipes. You can easily store meals for later use, ensuring you always have a healthy option on hand. It's all about convenience and good food. This cookbook focuses on healthy eating without sacrificing flavor. It features recipes that are both nutritious and satisfying. It makes healthy eating simple and enjoyable. This is your go-to guide for meal prepping. It provides everything you need to plan, prepare, and enjoy healthy meals. It's the perfect companion for anyone looking to simplify their life. What we like. This book specializes in healthy make-ahead meals. It offers freezer recipes to simplify your life. If you have a busy lifestyle and need convenient, healthy options, you should consider it. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow. The cookbook offers a variety of healthy meal options. It includes helpful nutritional information for each recipe. Number 1. Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook, Easy and Wholesome Meals. Are you looking for a way to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen? This cookbook is your solution. It provides easy and wholesome meal prep ideas. Inside, you'll find a variety of recipes designed for meal prepping. It includes everything from breakfast to dinner, ensuring you have healthy options all week long. With this cookbook, meal prepping becomes simple. You can cook your meals, prep them in advance, and grab them when you're on the go. It saves you time and keeps you on track with your health goals. The recipes are designed to be both delicious and nutritious. It focuses on using fresh, whole ingredients to create meals that support your well-being. This cookbook is the perfect companion for anyone looking to eat healthier. It makes meal prepping easy and enjoyable, helping you achieve your health and wellness goals. What we like. This cookbook focuses on easy and wholesome meals. It provides grab-and-go options for convenience. If you are looking for healthy meals that are easy to prepare and take with you, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The cookbook offers a wide variety of healthy meal options. It includes detailed nutritional information for each recipe. The recipes are easy to follow and use readily available ingredients. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.